Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is URL validation. URL validation means checking the current browser URL to confirm that Selenium has navigated to the correct page. In Selenium, URL validation is commonly used after launching an application, login or logout, navigation between the pages. Validating the URL helps us ensure we are on the expected page, redirection worked correctly, no unexpected navigation happened. URL validation is simple, fast, and often used along with page title validation as an initial checkpoint in automation. So, in the sample script, if you see, first we are navigating to the Cogmento application, and then whatever URL we have given, we are printing it in the current URL. If that particular URL contains Cogmento, URL validation passed. If it is not containing the Cogmento word, then it will fail. Then finally we will press enter to quit the session. So once I will run it, here Selenium opens the Cogmento application. Then I am reading the current URL from the browser and printing it to the console. If you see, I have printed it to the console. Then URL validation is done. This confirms that navigation is successful. This is how URL validation is done in Selenium automation.